Hi, I'm Hrvoje and this is Puzzle Blocks. Today I'm here to announce my brand new beginner-friendly Blender animation tutorial. This tutorial is designed to take you from knowing nothing about 3D animation to confidently working at a beginner 3D generalist level. That's a bold claim, but I've packed this course with essential techniques that can kickstart your journey toward freelancing. This project is inspired by my early experience as a freelancer on Upwork, focusing on tools and workflows that are practical for real-world projects. Feel free to skip ahead and dive straight into the tutorial, but if you stick around, you might hear some useful tips if you're just getting started with Blender. There are many tools and add-ons for Blender these days, but what I cover here are the bare essentials every 3D generalist needs to know. With these essential tools and workflows, you'll be able to accomplish a lot. Think of it like this: just as doctors need to understand the entire human body before specializing in one area, as a 3D artist you need to grasp the basics of the entire field before focusing on a specific niche, like character sculpting or architectural visualization. If you're just getting started, you might be wondering how to break into the industry, or even worrying about the impact of AI. Like any other profession in the 3D industry, there's competition and there are challenges. But if you do your job well and adopt new technologies on time, you'll find work. It's that simple. Working as a freelancer in any field isn't just about technical skills. You'll need to communicate effectively and respectfully to find and keep clients. You'll also need to manage deadlines and finances while handling criticism or negative feedback with professionalism. As for AI, it's not here to replace you. It's a tool to enhance your work. That's the best way to look at it. AI itself won't take your job, but other professionals using AI tools might. So embrace it, use it or lose it. That said, to use AI effectively, you first need to learn the basics of 3D. AI can assist but cannot replace foundational knowledge. Freelancing often means starting a project without a clear roadmap, but with a solid understanding of various aspects of 3D, you'll be able to figure things out along the way. By following my pill bottle tutorial, you'll create a versatile Blender file that can be easily modified for various outcomes, from stunning still renders to dynamic animations. It's not just a one-time project, it's a foundation for countless possibilities. So, are you ready to jump into the world of 3D animation? Let's get started. Please like and subscribe to support future videos and stay informed about new tutorials.